So here you can see over here that how the simple join works. Okay, I hope we have some exercises in the lab in the next week. Okay, where you can perform this like joining of these two tables over there. Okay? So C is a nickname over there for this client, and V is a nickname for what? This one. So you can write, if you have a two tables, client and viewing, so we can write with a comma. So comma is used over there, right? If you put the condition over there, so you say that I need the client number from the client table. I need the first name, because first name is only in the client one, so you don't need to specify the table from which table. So already SQL know that this first name is from this table. Okay, so we want the this client number from this table, this first name from this table. You can write, like for example, C dot, you can write C dot F name, it will work. You can write C dot last name, it will work. You can write like V dot property number will be in viewing, I think, and comment V dot, you can write V dot comment, right? So you can write it, but if you don't write it, it is okay. The SQL will find the column in these two tables, right? But when there are two columns are same in the table, then you have to mention. Then you have to mention here, right? If the client number is also here in this table and also here in the both table, then you have to mention that which client number I need. I need this client number or this client number, right?
Yeah.
And the condition. So condition means like you condition that if this client number as a primary key is equal to this client number as a foreign key in the viewing, then I need this 5 items over there, right? Now there is like some rules they are want to show you, the thing which we already discussed, but they want to elaborate it. Only those rows from both table that have the identical values. Identical means same. Okay, identical values means similar values in the client number columns. This one and this one are included in the result. Okay, so it will give only the results which are same in both one. So if the viewing table has a client number as a null, so it will not pick that row. Okay, so it is equivalent to the equijoin in algebra. In algebra, you might have learned in Sanavia or in Prepare that what is equijoin. So equijoin means Masavi join. Masavi join means like a equivalent join, where this client number must be equal to this client number, then it will give you the results, the same result, but not the extra one. Now see here, so this client number is what? So it gives the items values from this one, right? For client number 56 values, this one, 62 and 73. So it gives this value, it give you this values, okay, but the property number are like different in this one, okay, and the comments also. So 5 different values it gives you, this one, this one, this one, that, and this one, right? So it gives you all these values over there. So this is called equijoin or simple join over there.